Unveiling true colors, understanding hidden intentions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in English conversations: true colors hidden. This expression has a rich meaning and usage in various contexts. We'll explore what it signifies, how to use it in your conversations, and some examples to help you grasp its essence. Stay tuned as we uncover the hidden layers behind true colors. The phrase, "true colors hidden," refers to someone's genuine personality, intentions, or feelings being concealed or not readily apparent. It suggests that the person may be presenting themselves in a manner that is not completely honest or reflective of their actual self. The term, true colors, originates from naval history, where ships would hide their country's flag during wartime to avoid detection. Hence, showing one's true colors meant revealing one's true identity or intentions. You can use this phrase in situations where you suspect someone is not being entirely honest about their intentions, or when someone reveals their genuine nature after a period of deception. It's often used in a negative context, implying a betrayal or a surprising revelation about someone's character. In conversation, "I thought I knew him, but he finally showed his true colors." In writing, after the scandal, the politician's true colors were hidden no more. To help you better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In a friendship, we thought she was supportive, but when we needed her the most, she hid her true colors. 2. In the workplace, he seemed like a team player, but his true colors were hidden. He was only looking out for himself. 3. In relationships, after a year of dating, her true colors came to light, revealing a completely different person than I thought I knew. Listen for context. Pay attention to the context in which this phrase is used to understand whether it's being applied in a negative or merely revealing manner. Practice with examples. Try creating sentences using "true colors hidden" to describe situations from books, movies, or even personal experiences. Incorporate it into your vocabulary. Using the phrase in your daily English conversations will help you remember its meaning and usage. Understanding the phrase, "true colors hidden," adds depth to your English conversations, allowing you to express complex thoughts about personality and truth. We hope this video has illuminated this colorful expression for you. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to show your true colors as you continue your language learning journey. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.